inside.
What is good to see, of course, yung bang evolution na si Bol.
Bol, atake. Laki ng bangga na naman. And he might get the end one. Yes, he will. Basket is good for him. First 4 points of TNT sa kanya lahat. May pagkakataon pagdagdagan niya.
Nakahanap siya ng kanyang puntos. It should be off-screen and quick trigger para makashoot siya ng open shot.
Bol, gagante. Strong drive. Gets the bounce.
6 total points now for the import of Tropang 5G.
Mabilis yung base. Ako tumama sa board. Kaya hindi tinawagan. Nag-goaltending kanta naman noon mula kay Jason Castro.
Now the momentum has shifted towards the side of TNT, and as much as Titan Ultra is still up, could not spot Junicio is open in the corner.
Sinubo na naman ni Bol yung bola. All the back and in. Tied ball game. 6-0 counter run. Kelly Williams on the forward pass. Ibabalik sa kanya. Titira na naman ang isa pang tres. Pasok naman ang pangalawang subok ni Kelly Williams.
Now they have to revisit their plan. They have to defend Kelly Williams. Hindi na
Hindi sila magpapa-apekto sa mga tawag, and they just need to continue playing. Now, in order to shift things in their favor, the ask is to involve TNT's big.
Takbuhan tayo dito. Aurin, ibibigay sa taas. Alanganin yung pasa. Walang pakialam itong si Bobo.
Wala rin magawa si Franyo.
Parang nagkakakuha pero aagawin ng Titan Ultra. Monzon finishes another fast break layup.
Sinasabi niya, hindi naman kailangan i-dunk. Pwede naman layup rin eh. Maski in traffic yan, kaya pa makascore dyan. And this is the way the game is played. Look at the score. Titan Ultra naman, 50-45.
Nambata, 3-point shot is a swish. A rare opening for the TNT point guard. At tatawag ng kanilang 30-second timeout itong Titan Ultra. Ball na abangan ng help defense. Forward pass patungo kay Monzon and he is gone.
A good defense from the weak side. Gilmore foiling the attempted ball. And that initiated their fast break attack. And who's gonna finish it? The best fast break.
Isang bagong defender si Gage Flores. Short corner jumper good for Ball 33 in this match.
You know, Ball also likes what is happening.
Another miss coming from TNT. Lead is at 5. Gilmore is wide open and he will swish it from downtown.
Goal shot has seen enough. Not even a token resistance in that attempt.
Ball. Umikot, pumihit, and he will get the end one.
He has no other choice. Really has to demand the ball. Dahil nga,
The pass lands. BGR with a jam. And Jason inside. Hang-time pass. Patungo sa labas. Ferrer creates another 3.
and Jason Castro, instead of giving it to an easy
Monzon, top of the key 3. He rattles it home.
sumasagot pa itong Titan Ultra. Big time basket by Joshua Monzon to cut the lead.
Ball screen action. Ayun na, drop pass. Slam dunk. Sumakay ka pa. Sabi nito si Bobo sa depensa.
And Jason Castro wanted that kind of a pass.
Bibitaw ng 3 at papasok yan. A huge shot to keep them in the ball game.
33 points para rito kay Michael Gilmore.